What's up, guys? Welcome back to Picky Garage. I wanted to do a little bit of an update on the garage. I haven't done a video on the garage in quite some time. Air compressor on the side still has to be hooked up, but we went ahead and bought a 8-foot Gladiator workbench, super nice workbench, and then it's 5 feet tall, 30 inches wide, and 18 inches deep. This is one of their toolboxes. We're also going to get 2 more to go underneath on each side, but these shelves, actually you can remove them and you can see just a little rivet here and adjust them to wherever you might need them. And what I also like about these are super nice doors, by the way. They wheel, so you can move this all around if you're working on cars or whatever, and you need a certain tool or chemical, whatever you might have in your chest. You can bring it around, wheel it around, all around the garage, and then bring it back to the location that you need. As far as the workbench, super high-end quality. There you can see Gladiator. The legs are adjustable and really, super sturdy. Nice little feet on the bottom here, so it won't scrape up the floor. But you can adjust this to whatever height you want. It can go all the way to a standing desk configuration. Let me show you this side. But what's nice is it matches the cupboard pretty good here, and then this can come off too. You can put it on the other side if you want. But I just want to give a real quick video update on the garage. I haven't really touched on the garage in quite some time. I think it's been over a year. Things are coming together slowly but surely. And I wanted to make a review of the workbench, and I keep the tool case, toolbox. Right now, my words are escaping me. So what normally happens. Cars look good. I think the garage is doing really good. I can't really complain about anything. If you haven't watched my other garage update videos, you can check it out, the full build process. I did reviews on the mini split, the lights, the stand, the car lift, and the garage doors, pretty much everything. The whole metal building process is all in there on the YouTube channel. If you have any questions about the Gladiator workbench, let me show you one more time, or the toolbox. This is 5 feet, 30 inches wide, and then 18, I believe it's 18 inches deep. I'll put the specifications down in the description below, along with the links where you can buy these things. So I started a video earlier in the week of the Gladiator table and the Gladiator rolling cabinet. Actually cleaned it off a bit, got car plastic in there. But today came in we actually picked this up on Facebook. It was a lot cheaper, found it on Facebook Marketplace. But this is the underdesk unit. You can see it's a little bit dirty, but open it up there. I forget the measurements exactly on this thing. Had a long day, but it's wheels and the side pieces matches the desk and the stand-up cabinet. So it's a really nice setup. Probably gonna get one more. What do you guys think? Should we get one more of the Gladiator under desk units? Or I think they even offer like a refrigerator. I just really like the, you can see the bumper plates on this guy, so you can move it around, super easy to move. If you don't like it there, you can pop it out on the corner, whatever you might like. But I didn't see anyone make any videos of these, so I was like, you know what? Someone out there is probably looking at these and wants to see the build quality. What's nice about this is the cabinets inside come out. You can't change the height. That's the only downfall, but still really nice quality. It also comes with a lock, and I like how everything matches. This material matches the legs, and it also matches the sides of the stand-up cabinet. Yeah, I just want to get a real quick video of the under desk unit so you guys can see it, what it looks like in a garage. And probably going to take a thumbnail pic of this. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. I also like how it has the bumper plates on the back, on the sides there as well. Thanks for watching.